Hi, this is Rob with Trail and Tread Adventures. If you know us, welcome back to the channel. If you don't, well, this is a channel where my wife Christine and I travel around the state of Washington mostly and explore different areas, sometimes on day trips, sometimes on overnight overlanding, boondocking, camping trips, sometimes maybe in a motel. But today we are at the Olympic National Forest at Lake Quinault, and we are going to explore the Olympic Rainforest a little bit. There's a trail we scouted out that goes out, turns to dirt. There's some remote Forest Service campgrounds out there that we want to check out. There's some big herds of Roosevelt elk that live in these woods that are protected, so they're not as skittish, and hopefully we'll be able to see some elk, maybe get some photos or video, and see something we haven't seen for a long time. We've been over here, but it has been quite a while, so come along with us and we'll have a great time. But we're headed down a trail to world's largest Sitka spruce. We are in the rainforest. So this tree is 191 feet tall, 17 feet through the base at the diameter, 17 feet, 55 feet 7 inches around. That's a large tree. Not sure how long this trail is. Can't be too far because we're headed towards the lake.
It is 0.2 miles.
Somebody told me it was 0.2 miles. It is very, I mean, look at this. Well, this is not a tropical rainforest. This is a temperate rainforest, subtropical, I believe, the same, but the only temperate rainforest in North America, actually. People say that it rains a lot in Seattle, which I believe is around 35 to 40 inches a year. But it can rain 8 to 10 feet a year here in the rainforest. And in 1999, it rained 189 inches. 15 feet 9 inches. Look at this. So this forest is also home to the western red cedar, which I believe is a relative of the California redwood. And Douglas fir. Roosevelt elk. Named for Theodore Roosevelt, who spearheaded the effort to save them from extinction or over hunting. They're darker and a little bit larger than the standard Rocky Mountain elk. All right, I'll turn you around here. Look at that. Look at these roots. Careful. Wow. I mean, that thing is huge.
You mean it's the tree?
Of course I mean the tree. Dang.
Lake Quinault is a natural lake. At only an elevation of 180 feet, it was formed by a glacier that receded into the mountains many thousands of years ago.
Christine, it smells awesome in here. Hot Logic. Been plugged into our Blue Eddy.
What do we got? What do we got? That one's mine.
Ooh, that's hot.
Oh,
Oh, chicken strips, steaming hot.
nice, nice.
And for me, something a little more healthy. Pizza rolls.
Oh. There's so much moss on this tree branch, it looks like it's alive. This 2-mile primitive trail leads into a deep canyon in Colonel Bob Wilderness from South Shore Road. At 2 miles, the trail opens into a small clearing along Fletcher Creek. The trail peters out to the end. So Graves Creek Campground is a self-register campground. You just come in and pay at the little station. So this is in here. There's a lot of blowdown and fallen trees, but it has a beautiful cement picnic table. A very nice, very wet fire pit. And a beautiful log for sitting around the fire pit. And then over here, the beautiful down by the creek.
Oh, you can put a tent right there.
Yeah, it looks like a nice flat area. We'll put your tent right down there. If you wanted to haul it over
You didn't drink too much.
all these trees. Yeah. I know, is that gorgeous? Maybe before the tree had fallen, there was a walkway to get down there. I mean, I could climb over the tree, but they'll probably just leave it and they'll have to create a new path around everything. This area is just amazing. Look how green everything is. Of course, out in this area, it is like this probably all year long, just slightly warmer in the summertime than it is right now. But as you can tell, my hair being a mess, it's raining. That's not unusual. We are in a rainforest. Everybody, I guess that's it for us. The bridge that crosses the river that goes to the North Shore Road is closed. So, and it's already 3 o'clock to go all the way back around.
Yeah.
So,
the only thing we're missing is there's an old homestead on the other side that we wanted to check out. But hey, if you're still here and you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe and like button. You know, it doesn't cost anything, and we're trying to grow our channel, so it really helps us. If you could do that, that'd be great.
Yeah, and share with your friends. Let them know what it's like being in the Pacific Northwest in a rainforest in the rain.
In the rain, yeah.
In the rain.
And look, we're not even totally soaked.
Not totally soaked. We'll see you on the trail.
Yeah, see you then.
Meow.